Zena, why is this important to you?
Why is this? Because I am every woman, and I am woman, and I have a mother and a sister and nieces and friends, and you know what?
So what exactly are you doing this morning? Why are you yelling at people?
I'm yelling at these women. Here we go. Arms up. Woo!
Way to go, girl.
I gotta yell in a minute. Hold on. Arms up. Come on.
Do these people mind you yelling at them?
Wait. Your guys are silent like the disease. Let's go. That's better. Woo! Arms up.
Wow.
Come on, remember, Albarian's silent, but we're not. Woo! Shake it. Next round, arms up, flowers up, everyone. Woo! Woo! I know we've warmed up, so. Woo! You rock, Zena.
Yeah.
You rock. Mutual inspiration. Come on, guys.
I'm sorry.
You can do
Too
it.
early in the morning.
Listen,
But you can do it for me.
I do it for everybody,
There
for
we
every
go.
woman around.